In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate how to manipulate textures while building a map in QOOLE. We start by introducing the texture bookmark window. We go up to the texture menu and select bookmarks. This will bring up a window that contains 7 bookmark slots. We can bookmark a commonly used texture by selecting it in the texture window first, and then pressing the set button of an empty slot inside the bookmark window. We can repeat this process for up to 7 textures. Later, when we want to get to the bookmark texture quickly, we can bring up the bookmark window and just click on the texture. Whenever we add a new brush, QOOLE uses the highlighted texture from the texture window and applies it to all the faces of the brush. If we wish, we can manually assign different textures to different faces of the same brush. For this example, we'll make a storage crate and apply the appropriate textures to its different sides. We first select the texture crate 0_side and add a medium cube into our map. We then go up to the texture menu and select the command Texture Properties. This will pop up a window that displays the texture of an individual side of the selected brush. We use the next and the previous buttons to cycle through the faces and select the side of the brush that we want to work on. The selected side will always be outlined in the color yellow. We'll start with the top side. Let's assign a different texture to it. We pick the new texture crate 0_top. Right-click and select the Apply command. We adjust the X and Y offsets so that the new texture is centered on the top surface. Then we increase the X and Y scales to stretch out and align the texture to the edge of that side. We can even flip the orientation of the texture by changing the angle value. When we're done with the top surface, we move on to the next side of the brush. We simply repeat the process and adjust the textures of the rest of the faces. After we're done, we can close the Texture Properties window.